Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
New Delhi, Madhya Pradesh State Open School, MPSOS, has recently announced the results of the Madhya Pradesh School of Excellence and School of Model Entrance Examination for Class 9th admissions. Candidates who took the examination can check and download their results online on the official website, MPSOS. NIC. According to the official data, a total of 115 candidates appeared for the MPSOS SOM exam 2023. Out of these, 101 were boys while 114 were girls. The results revealed that 163 candidates cleared the examination, including 77 boys and 86 girls. The results data showed that 804 boys and 323 girls were among the selected students, making the total number of students selected for excellence schools to be 127. Direct link to check the result of SOE SOM entrance exam 2023. However, not all candidates were able to qualify for the prestigious schools, as 240 students could not clear the exam. This number included 683 boys and 557 girls who could not make it through. A total of 712 candidates remained absent from the examination. It is unclear why so many candidates failed to appear for the entrance examination, as it presents a vital opportunity for students to secure admission to top-notch schools and shape their future. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.